Are you wanting to scale your business with digital products? I'm Becky Beach, and I've grown $1 million digital product empire that earns me passive income while I sleep, eat, and play. Join me each week as we grow our digital product businesses together. This is the Becky Beach Show. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Becky Beach Show. I'm Becky Beach. This podcast is where we chat about building the life of freedom with digital products. And today we're talking about something every digital product seller needs to hear: how to overcome the big challenges we're facing in 2025. In this episode, I'm sharing insights from an incredible interview with Gail Hollander. She's the CMO of Smucker, the company behind brands like Jif, Hostess, and Uncrustables. Gail shares how their company is tackling challenges like pop culture trends, fragmentation in marketing, and the rise of AI. And let me tell you, these lessons are gold for us as digital product sellers. All right, let's dive into today's episode. 4 powerful lessons from Gail Hollander and how you can apply them to grow your digital product business in 2025. Number 1, build a clear, strong brand that stands out. Lesson 1 is all about building a clear, strong brand that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Gail talked about how every brand needs a solid foundation, something that doesn't waver no matter what trends come and go. This applies directly to us as digital product sellers. If your audience doesn't know where you stand for or what you're all about, they'll just scroll right past you. Your brand needs to be memorable and consistent. For example, I make sure everything I create reflects my mission: helping entrepreneurs and busy moms build a life of freedom through digital products. When I create an Instagram reel or a piece of content, I ask myself, does this align with my brand message? Am I delivering value that solves a problem for my audience? Take a moment to reflect on your own business. Ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? What problem am I solving for my audience? How do I show up consistently across platforms that reinforce my brand? Whether you're clear on these things, your audience will connect with you on a deeper level, and that's where the magic happens. Lesson 2, diversifying your marketing channels. Lesson 2 is a big one. Don't rely on just one marketing channel. Gail emphasized that Smucker diversifies their marketing efforts across multiple platforms to reach their audience wherever they are. This is so important for us as digital product creators. If you're putting all your effort into one platform, like Instagram or Facebook, you're setting yourself up for trouble. Algorithms change, platforms go out of style, and accounts can even get shut down. That's why it's crucial to spread your efforts across multiple channels. Here's how I've been diversifying my marketing. With Instagram Reels, I've been creating fun, value-packed reels in Canva, and I always include a call to action like comment below for the link. Using ManyChat, I can instantly send DMs to anyone who comments. It's a game changer for engagement and sales. Speaking of Instagram Reels, I have to share this little win with you. I've been having so much fun creating the Instagram Reels with Canva. I'll promote podcasts and digital products, and they look amazing using Canva Reels. Canva makes it so easy to create professional scroll-stopping reels, even if you're not a designer. And here's the best part. I've been using ManyChat.com to automate DM links to anyone who comments on the reel. For example, if someone comments interested, they instantly get a message with the link to my course or freebie. It's been such a great way to save time and build connections with my audience. If you're not doing this yet, definitely give it a try. Now we're going to talk about email marketing. Every reel I post ties back to my email list. Once someone downloads my freebie or signs up for a workshop, I nurture them with automated email sequences. For Facebook, I repurpose my reels into Facebook stories. This drives even more traffic to my offers and helps me reach people who might not be on Instagram. The goal is to meet your audience wherever they are and create multiple pathways for them to find you. Diversification is like a safety net. It keeps your business steady no matter what happens in the digital world. Lesson 3, use AI to work smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about my favorite topic, AI. Gail shared how Smucker is using AI to automate tasks and enhance creativity. And I'm all about that. AI has been a huge time saver in my business, and it can be for you too. Here's how I've been using AI. This is how I've been using AI. When I'm stuck on what to post, I use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for Instagram captions, email campaigns, or even podcast topics. It's like having a creative assistant on hand 24/7. Social media automation. With tools like Canva and ManyChat, I've been able to batch create content and automate engagement. For example, those DMs I send to people who comment on my reels, ManyChat handles it all for me, saving me hours of manual work. Personalized email marketing. My email software uses AI to segment my audience and send personalized sequence based on what they're interested in. For example, if someone signs up for my freebie on digital product creation, they automatically get a series of emails guiding them towards my course. AI isn't about replacing creativity, it's about enhancing it. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on the parts of your business that truly need your personal touch. Lesson 4, stay fresh and adapt to change. The final lesson is all about staying fresh and adapting to change. Gail talked about how Smucker is constantly refreshing their campaigns and strategies to stay relevant in today's fast-paced world. As digital product sellers, we need to do the same. This might include updating your products, revamping your sales page, or adding new bonuses to keep things exciting for your audience. For me, this has looked like creating more behind-the-scenes Instagram reels and sharing personal stories for my business. People love getting a peek into your life. It makes them feel connected to you and your brand. The key is to be flexible. Marketing trends and platforms will always change, but if you're willing to adapt and try new things, you'll stay ahead of the curve. All right, friends, before we wrap up, I have an incredible opportunity I want to share with you. If you're ready to take your digital product business to the next level, you have to check out my membership, businessbeachclub.com. The Business Beach Club is your all-in-one system for creating, launching, and scaling $1 million digital product business. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, this membership has everything you need to be successful. You get over 20 courses on digital products, marketing, and sales strategies. You get monthly PLR product bundles so you can hit the ground running with new offers. You get live group coaching calls every single week. And you get personalized support and guidance in the private Facebook group. If you join the Pro, you get unlimited email and Voxer coaching. Yes, you can literally have me in your back pocket as your coach. And there's so much more, including exclusive bundles and sales events that drive visibility and income. Imagine waking up every day to multiple sales you earned in your sleep. That's the power of passive income, and it's waiting for you in the Business Beach Club. If you're serious about scaling your digital product business and building a life of freedom, head over to businessbeachclub.com now to join today. Don't wait. 2025 is your year to make big things happen. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to the Becky Beach Show. Check out the show notes at beckybeachshow.com. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave me a review and share it with a friend. And please subscribe so you never miss an episode. I'll see you next time, and remember, you got this. Thanks so much for listening to the Becky Beach Show. Please check out the show notes at beckybeachshow.com and my membership, businessbeachclub.com, to start and scale your own digital product business. Have a great day. See you next time on the Becky Beach Show.